If you are uploading on YouTube yet your video is not getting the reach it deserves, it shows that you are missing out some crucial settings. Now in this video I'm going to show you 5 YouTube settings beginners always miss and how to fix them right now in this video so that your video will start performing very well. Now number 1 setting is enabling your custom thumbnail. If your custom thumbnail is not enabled, you are missing out a big time. Now how are you going to enable your custom thumbnail? Go to your YouTube studio through your desktop site, then click on the settings, then click on channel, feature eligibility, and enable your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is the first impression which people see before they click on your video. If your thumbnail is not enabled, you are missing out a very big. If your thumbnail is not turned on, you are missing a very big opportunity of your video going viral. Number 2 setting is allowing embedding. If this feature is turned on, you are going to get a very good traffic from other sources or external sites. Okay, now when this feature is turned on, blogs and some websites will be able to suggest your video, thereby giving you a free watch time and also attracting new viewers to your channel. So now how are you going to enable your embedding? Now go to your video, then click on advanced and enable your embedding. The 3rd setting is auto caption and edit. Now the importance of auto caption is to be able to carry your audience along. Do you understand? Now if your auto caption is not properly edited, people are not going to watch your video longer, especially if you are speaking fast or if you are missing out some words. People are not going to watch properly, okay, especially those that didn't understand English properly. Okay, so now you have to go ahead and turn on your auto caption. How are you going to turn your auto caption? You are going to go over to your subtitles, then edit some errors that you make there so that people will be able to understand your videos or understand what you are speaking. Now the 4th setting is enabling channel keywords. Okay, now some creators, especially the small creators, the beginners, miss out these particular settings, but it is very important because YouTube will use it to know what your channel is all about by adding the keywords in where it's supposed to be. Do you understand? Then once you add your keywords where it's supposed to be, YouTube will understand what your channel is all about and know the people to suggest your video to. Okay, so now how are you going to enable your channel keywords? Go to your YouTube studio through your desktop version, then click on settings, go to basic info, then fill all those channel keywords. Do you understand? Then you can add some big creators in your niche so that once their video is being suggested, your own video will be suggested along them. Okay, or when people search for their videos, your video will also pop up because you add their channel keyword, because you add their names in your channel keywords. Do you understand? Now you are going to go over to the last but not the least, which is number 5 setting. The number 5 setting is the last but very powerful. Allowing people to clip your video. Who doesn't like going viral? If people clip your videos, you'll be able to your video will be able to go viral through making use of your short form of your videos. Okay, now it will also help you for discoverability. You know, it is very small. It is a very small but very powerful, because from there people will start searching for your channel and also watching your videos. So here are the 5 settings small channels always mix in their videos. I want to know the particular setting you want to carry out in your channel right now. Then if you love this video if you watch this video up to this point, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so, and watch this video here on how you are going to get to 1000 subscribers faster. Okay, and also order my videos here. Okay, thanks so much. Please, for more YouTube growth tips, subscribe. Okay, bye bye.